Welcome to another Acadia Point of Sale video guide. In this video, we'll show you how to add categories and products to get your inventory ready for sales. Start by going to your Backend dashboard. From your Acadia dashboard, click on Inventory on the left sidebar menu, and then click on Categories. On the next panel, click the Add Category button on the top right. Enter your category name and select a parent category if needed. Set the visibility toggle to Visible so the category is displayed on the point of sale terminal, and set the Sort Order to choose its position. You can also add a brief description and upload media to make it visually distinct. When you're ready, click Create Category. Now let's proceed to add a product. On the sidebar, click Inventory, then click Products. On the next panel, click on the Add Product button on the top right. Start by entering your product name. For the SKU, type your own, or let the system generate one automatically. Next, choose the SKU type, add a description, and assign it to your new category. Scroll down to find advanced settings tailored to your business model. You can also set the sort order and log a vendor or vendor code if you track external suppliers. Here, you can enable custom pricing, custom quantity, or tier pricing for bulk discounts. To keep your stock running smoothly, you can also set low stock alerts, minimum purchase quantities, or add specific weight attributes. Once customized, click Save Changes. Your new product and category are now live and ready for checkout and will appear on the point of sale terminal. For more video guides, subscribe to AcadiaPOS YouTube channel.